guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Subscribing is free. All it does is alert you when we post new videos, so you'll be the first one to get it. Here we have a whole top sirloin, or sirloin butt, depends what you know it as. So today we're gonna break it down. Once again, it's pretty much everything is based on seam. Okay, so you can just use your hand. That's the sirloin cap. Now we're going to show you how to clean it up.
We'll get back to that cap right after we start processing this. And we'll show you what a lot of people look for with that cap.
Like I said, this stuff right here is going to be so chewy, it's going to ruin the experience of the steak. So you want to take it off. One thing about this meat and the London broil, or the top round, it does produce a lot of trimming.
Still better to buy a whole piece, trim it yourself.
Yes. You save way more money that way
than to just, you know, have somebody cut it, or get your steak, or just buy a steak.
So that's usually the first cut. It's one of the most popular steaks of late, is the top sirloin steak. All right, so there we go. You got 2 top sirloin steaks. Clean it off, so it's nice and pretty.
And that's more of a braising steak.
Yes, and then you could have been. Let's get one more. All right, after you get one more, cut it in half. Now this is where you get your top sirloin filet.
Now a lot of people also use this for
Shish kebab. If you're making beef shish kebab,
okay,
this is the meat you want to use, top sirloin.
All right, so when you cut it in half like that, we would kind of just make 1-inch cubes, and then you, like I said, you know, get your vegetables, get a skewer. Some people also use it for stir fry.
Oh man, that'll make a killer stir fry. So there you go. You got your steaks. You got your filet, top sirloin filet, and you have your shish kebab meat. So as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and have a wonderful day.